Fitment Type. Specially designed for JK 2007-2017 for easier light mounting. Upper windshield is to install 52 inches light bar, while the lower windshield is to install bottom-mounted small LED pod lights, remains ample to adjust. Upgrading reflector cup. The broad reflective plate on both sides allows multi-angle refraction, ideal for ambient illumination. Side mounting bracket. The sturdy bracket can firmly fix the light bar. Quakeproof when passing through rugged terrain. High performance. IP67 waterproof rate, efficient cooling, die-cast aluminum alloy housing, over 30,000 hours lifespan. Simple installation. Just peel the foam tap, stick them to the bracket, mount the bracket to the windshield frame with vehicle's original factory bolts, and then use the mounting hardware comes with the light bar, to install the light bar on the bracket. Note: if mounting hardware size from the light bar are not same as mounting hole size on bracket, you can use washers to make them fit. Nilight Windshield frame mounting bracket compatible vehicle model. JK 2007-2016 compatible lighting. 52, light bar at upper windshield, small pod light and LED work light at lower windshield. A pillar corner solid steel construction upgrade. Wrinkle finishes comes with protective foam tape strip. Top reviews from the United States. Great mount. Great value. All other mounts at twice this price wouldn't look as good. The only thing I kind of wish is I wish both arms didn't have a U-slot for the bar. One of these should be a closed slot to be more secure. But all in all, this is a great mount.